Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about, the Small Gym Bag for Women by BEULPTN. If you need a versatile gym kit bag, stay tuned because this might be the perfect fit for you. Let's jump right into it. The Small Gym Bag for Women is more than just your average gym bag. It's a compact yet feature-packed duffel bag designed with women in mind. With a 4.3-star rating from over 1,500 customers on Amazon, it's certainly worth taking a closer look. Now, what sets this gym bag apart? Here are some of its key features. Dry-wet separated compartments. One of the standout features of this bag is the dry and wet separation. It comes with a toiletry bag and a separate wet pocket, perfect for keeping your gym clothes or wet swimsuits separate from the rest of your belongings. Quality material. Made from durable nylon fabric with a water-resistant surface, this bag is built to last. It's also easy to clean and quick drying, making it ideal for those on the go. Multi-purpose design. Whether you're heading to the gym, going for a short trip, or hitting the beach, this bag has you covered. It's not just a gym bag, it's a versatile companion for various indoor and outdoor activities. Multiple pockets. Stay organized with multiple internal and external pockets. You'll have a designated place for your essentials, including a generously padded sleeve for your 7.9-inch iPad. Comfortable to carry. The bag offers options for carrying, including adjustable straps for crossbody or shoulder carry, as well as sturdy handles. You can choose the style that suits you best. So, what are the benefits of owning this gym bag? Organization. Keep your items neatly organized with separate compartments and multiple pockets. Durability. The high-quality materials ensure the bag can withstand daily use and is easy to maintain. Versatility. Whether you're heading to the gym, a weekend getaway, or a beach day, this bag adapts to your needs. Comfort. Enjoy the convenience of adjustable straps and comfortable handles for easy carrying. Of course, we can't ignore what customers have to say. With a 4.3-star rating and over 1,500 reviews, it's clear that many are satisfied with this gym bag. In conclusion, the Small Gym Bag for Women by BEULPTN is a versatile and well-designed gym kit bag that offers great value for the price. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a traveler, or someone who appreciates staying organized, this bag has got you covered. If you're interested in purchasing this gym bag, you can find it on Amazon for just $23.99. And remember, it's backed by BEULPTN's purchase guarantee, so you can shop with confidence. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews and product recommendations. If you have any questions or if you've already tried this gym bag, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.